Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Accidentally deleting files and then emptying the recycle bin can be a stressful experience, but in many cases, your data is not gone forever. Windows 11 offers several powerful built-in tools and methods to recover files. Here is an updated guide on how to recover permanently deleted files from a Windows 11 PC from the simplest to the most advanced methods. We shall start with this first method, that is the first steps, which is your best and easiest options. Before you do anything else, try these simple immediate options or actions. Check the recycle bin. This is the most obvious step, but it's often overlooked. Double click the recycle bin here on your desktop. If your files are there, just simply right click them and then select restore to send them back to their original location. Use the undo feature as well, that is Ctrl plus Z. If you've just deleted a file, you might be able to undo the action. Just go to the folder where the file was located and then press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right click an empty space in the folder and select undo delete. This works only if you haven't performed a new action since deleting the file. We also have another way, that is to check OneDrive or other cloud backups. If you have enabled OneDrive's PC folder backup, your desktop, documents, and pictures folders are automatically signed to the cloud. Log in to the OneDrive website to see if your files are there. The same principle applies to Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other cloud backup service you use. Now let's get to the second method, that is to restore from a previous version, that is file history. If the above methods fail, this is your next best option, provided you had the file history feature enabled. File history automatically backs up your important folders like documents, pictures, and videos to an external drive or network location. This is how to use file history. Just go to the search bar on your taskbar and type restore your files. Select restore your files with file history from the search results. A window will open, allowing you to browse through your backed up folders. Use the left and right arrows at the bottom of the window to navigate through different backup versions. Once you find the file or folder you want to restore, select it and click the restore button to return it to its original location. If you didn't have file history enabled, this method will not work, sadly. So you will get to this third method, which is to use Microsoft Windows File Recovery Tool. If you have exhausted all the easy steps, Microsoft provides a free, powerful command line tool called Windows File Recovery. This tool can scan your hard drive for remnants of deleted files and attempt to recover them. This is important to note. This method requires you to be comfortable using the command line. This is how to use Windows File Recovery. Just go to the Microsoft Store and install the Windows File Recovery app. Open the Start menu and search for Windows File Recovery. Right-click it and select Run as an administrator. The tool has several modes, that is regular, extensive, and requires you to use a specific command syntax. The basic format is the way you see here: winfr source dash drive colon destination dash drive, like this, slash model slash switches. Source drive is the drive where the file was deleted, e.g. C, and then destination drive is the drive where you want to save the recovered file. This must be a different drive to avoid overwriting data. Slash mode specifies the recovery mode. Start with slash regular for recently deleted files on a healthy drive. If that fails, try slash extensive. Slash switches are optional parameters to narrow your search, e.g. slash n to specify a file name as a wildcard. For example, to recover a file named report.docs from your documents folder, the command would look like this, the way you see here. Just replace this your username with your actual Windows username. The tool will create a folder on the destination drive to store the recovered files. The fourth method is to use third-party data recovery software. If you are not comfortable with the command line, or if the Microsoft tool fails to find your files, a third-party data recovery program may be your last resort. These tools often have a user-friendly graphical interface and may offer more advanced scanning algorithms. Many have a free version that allows you to scan your drive and preview recoverable files before you commit to a purchase. These are some of the popular options to it. Recuva. This is a well-known, simple, and effective tool for recovering files. We also have EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, a powerful tool with a high success rate even for more complex data loss scenarios. We also have Disk Drill. This is another highly rated option with a user-friendly interface. This is important to note. For any data recovery, the most critical step is to stop using the affected drive immediately to prevent new data from overwriting the deleted files. The sooner you attempt to recover them, the higher your chances of success. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.